This installation requires the user to go on the Seeq environment and open a data lab project. Once opened it will be necessary to access the terminal section as I'm showing on screen. Once the page opened, it is possible to start the installation. First of all, it will be necessary to install a package from the pip library as shown in screen. Once the installation is completed, it will be necessary to launch the following command. You will have to specify the URL of your Seeq host, your username and password. Be sure to have admin privileges on the Seeq environment to install the add-on. As it has been installed, the user will then be able to launch the add-on from any Seeq workbench. As you can see, you can find it into Overview and Add-on section among the other ones available to you. Thanks for listening.